Tennis court cleaning. By cleaning your tennis court surface, House Wash PA maintains the integrity of the surface, makes courts more playable and safer, and brings them back to life. Just as mold and algae attack the paint on your patio, these elements can take hold of your tennis court's acrylic coating and significantly shorten the life of the court. Proper annual cleaning and routine maintenance will extend the life of the court and ultimately save you money. A common misconception is that hard courts require no maintenance, which is absolutely false, and can extend the life of the court. We ensure that the cleaning solution will work and that the pressure selected will not cause damage to your court surface. Some basic cleaning principles will help you extend the life of your court so you can enjoy using it for many years to come. Clean your tennis court thoroughly with House Wash PA, Westchester, Pennsylvania once a year. Call House Wash PA today at 484-881-2713.